Welcome back to another AvePoint Quick Bites tutorials. Today we are going to be talking about scan profiles, the method of which we put your data into containers to be used for all of our different products.
After our app profile is set up, we want to set up our scan profiles for our workloads. To do so, we're going to go under Auto Discovery, Scan Profiles, and hit Create. Here, we're going to select all of the workloads we want to protect. For this example, I'm going to use SharePoint, Exchange, and OneDrive. You'll have a few custom options that you can select on the following screen, as well as when you want to do your daily scan for your backup jobs. Once you've selected your workloads, you can choose either Express or Advanced mode for the scan type. Express mode is very simplified. It puts everything into a default container, so all Exchange items into an Exchange container, OneDrive into OneDrive, SharePoint into SharePoint. Advanced mode lets you use rules to set up multiple containers for each workload depending on Entra values, as well as putting all excluded objects into a separate container. For the purposes of this video, we're going to use Express mode, but please feel free to mess around with the Advanced mode rule set. It's complete, and do one final review of your setup, and then hit save and run.
Continue your learning journey. Scan the QR code for step-by-step instructions on AvePoint Learn. And for more practical tips and product walkthroughs, subscribe to our YouTube channel.